Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the image and immediately duplicating the background so you can always revert. Once done, switch to the photography workspace and make sure layers, properties, and histogram are visible. This saves time. Convert the working layer to a smart object. This is crucial because it lets you use filters and transforms non-destructively. You'll now make initial global adjustments: exposure, contrast, and white balance. These first changes set the baseline, so small, deliberate moves work better than large swings. Next, focus on local corrections by adding adjustment layers like curves and hue/saturation, and paint masks to isolate areas. You want control. Paint with a soft, low-opacity brush so edits blend. For blemishes and small distractions, use healing and clone on a stamped visible layer. This preserves source pixels. When cutting out subjects, use select and mask. Refine edges for hair or complex outlines. Once selections are clean, convert refined parts to smart objects to allow later tweaks. To finish, create a merged copy of visible layers and apply a subtle high-pass sharpen. Set the blend mode to overlay or soft light so sharpening is controlled. Save your work as a PSD to retain layers, then export as for final formats. Choose sRGB for web and a reasonable quality like 80% to balance size and fidelity. If anything goes wrong, such as unexpected color shifts, check Document and Export Color Profiles. Convert to sRGB or reassign the correct profile as your key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.